Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today we are diving into the first chapter of our Data Science for Beginners series. In this video, we'll cover what data science is, the role of a data scientist, and how data science is transforming various industries. What is data science? Let's start with the basics. What is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It's a blend of statistics, computer science, and domain expertise. Data science is all about turning raw data into meaningful insights. It's about understanding patterns, making predictions, and ultimately, driving better decisions. Role of a data scientist. Now, let's talk about the role of a data scientist. A data scientist is like a detective, using data to solve complex problems. They gather and analyze large sets of data, develop algorithms and models, and communicate their findings to stakeholders. Data scientists need a mix of skills: statistical analysis, programming, machine learning, and domain knowledge. But they also need strong communication skills to explain their insights to non-technical audiences. Applications of data science. Data science is everywhere. Let's explore some of its applications across different industries. 1. Healthcare. Predictive analytics for patient outcomes. Personalized medicine. Improving operational efficiency. 2. Finance. Fraud detection. Algorithmic trading. Risk management. 3. Retail. Customer behavior analysis. Inventory management. Personalized marketing. 4. Technology. Recommendation systems. Natural language processing. Image and speech recognition. 5. Transportation. Route optimization. Predictive maintenance. Autonomous vehicles. As you can see, data science is making a significant impact across various sectors, helping organizations to innovate and improve their services. To recap, we've learned that data science is an interdisciplinary field focused on extracting insights from data. Data scientists play a crucial role in this process, and their work spans many industries, driving advancements and efficiencies. In the next video, we'll dive into Python for data science, where we'll set up our environment and start with basic programming. Make sure to download the course materials and follow along.